What's up guys, Derek from Hogworks here, and today we're going to be discussing the differences between Billiard Blue and Bright Billiard Blue. Right here is our OEM sample parts. I don't know if you can tell at this angle right here, but these blues are actually different colors. Let's start off right here with Billiard Blue. So, grab our light. Billiard Blue is a bit darker of a color. It has no metallic flake, and this color was mostly available from 2019 to 2020. And then there is Bright Billiard Blue. Bright Billiard Blue has a metallic flake. It's sort of like a light blue flake in there. It looks really cool. This color was available in 2023 only, and it was mostly available on two-tone bikes like you're seeing right here. Now, when you place these colors side by side, you can really see the differences right here. When you look at it at this angle, the only thing similar between these two colors is the name. So yeah, that's just a little tip for you guys. We've had a lot of questions regarding Billiard Blue versus Bright Billiard Blue. If you're still having issues trying to figure out the color of your bike, call your local dealership, give them your VIN number, and then they will be able to look up in their system what color your bike was painted. And that's all I got for you today.